So we will wait for 5 minutes, okay? Let Sadar also join. Okay, guys. Now, last time we did subtraction chapter, exercise 3.2. 3.3 is related to the word problem. So first we will do the exams, then next time we will do the word problems. Okay. Now, today we will start exercise 3.4. What is that? In exercise 3.4, you know how to minus, how to subtract, and how to check the answer. How to check the answer. So today we will do exercise 3.4. The question number 1 is subtract the following and verify the answer using addition. Okay. So it means verify means to check the answer. So we will wait for 2 minutes more. It's 11:28. Our class be 11:30. So let others also come. Then we will start. Fine. Those, no, everyone have the book. Shagundeep Kaur, you have book? Okay. No, those who are here, write down the question. 5, 4, 6. Write down 5, 4, 6, 3, 8, 9. 5, 4, 6, 3, 8, 9 minus 8, 7, 5, 9, 8. 8, 7, 5, 9, 8. Now have a look here. The question is, write down. Those who are here, write down. 5, 4, 6, 3, 8, 9 minus 8, 7, 5, 9, 8. You know how to minus the question. Hurry up. Then I'm going to unmute any one of you. Kavalpreet Kaur. Kavalpreet, are you here? Yes, ma'am. Okay, dear. Now, 5, 4, 6, 3. Ma'am, I am solving. 8, 7, 5, 9. Now you have to minus. Hurry up, do fast. Have you subtract this? Okay, Gagandeep Kaur. Gagandeep.
Ma'am, I am doing.
Okay, fast, beta. Now let me know, Gagandeep. First, tell me the bigger number is called. In subtraction, the bigger number is called. Very good. And the small. Yeah, very good, bache. And the smaller. Very good. And the answer is called
Difference.
Difference. Now hurry up, do fast. What the answer is? Yes. What the difference is? Anyone have done? Hurry up. Yes, Ikjot. Very good. Ikjot, wait a minute. Yes, Ikjot. What the answer is, Ikjot? Yes, yes.
Ma'am, 4587191.
Very good. The answer is 458791. So the answer is called, in subtraction, the answer is called
Difference.
difference. Very good, Ikjot. Ikjot, the bigger number is called in difference?
Minuend.
And the, yes, very good. And the smaller number? Smaller number is very good. And the answer is called
Difference.
difference. Now, everyone know how to minus the, how to subtract, how to minus. Now, we have to check the answer. We have to check the answer. How to check the answer? The formula is difference plus subtrahend. Everyone write down. Difference plus subtrahend is equal to minus. Difference plus subtrahend is equal to minuend. Yes, this question only you have to check. Okay, this part. Everyone, now have a look in this, how to check the answer. Clear? So I have written the question 546389 minus 87598. Now, Ikjot only told me the answer 458791. Everyone know how to minus the question. Then how to check the answer? The formula is difference plus subtrahend is equal to minuend. Difference plus subtrahend is equal to minuend. So the difference comes 458791. You have to plus 87598. So answer is equals to minuend. If the answer is not equal to minuend, it means you have done something wrong in the question. Fine. It means you have done something wrong in the question. So the answer is equal to minuend. So hence verified. Hence Shagundev, what happened, bache? Okay, I'm going to unmute you. You tell me what happened. Yes, Shagundev.
Ma'am, nothing.
Okay, but beta, you have done this question only.
Ma'am, I have answered the B part.
Okay, dear. But we are doing the A part. Fine.
Okay, ma'am.
So you know how to check the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
What the formula is?
Ma'am, difference plus subtrahend is equal to minuend.
Very good. Very good, bache. Good. Now, next is Bavleen Kaur. Yes, Bavleen, dear. Any doubt?
Oh, ma'am.
You know how to minus? Now, everyone do the B part. Write down the second part. 75683 75683 minus 8457. 8457. So everyone please write down. Now I'm going to ask. Yes.
Ma'am, 6, 7, 3, 2, 6.
What's the answer? 6, 7?
Ma'am, 6, 7, 3, 2, 6 is the answer.
Okay, bache. And now you have to verify the answer. You
Okay,
have
ma'am.
to verify the answer. Yes. Now, hurry up, bache. Very good.
मार दिया तूने दीदी को पेट में से मार दे
6, 7, 2, 2, 6. Okay. 6, 7, 2, 2, 6. Now, how to verify Prableen code? Yes, Prableen. Prableen. Yogita. Yogita is here. Yes, Yogita. Please unmute yourself. Yogita here. Ayat Chaudhary. Ayat.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now B part. How to check the answer here? What the formula is?
Difference plus subtrahend is equal to minuend.
Okay. So, have you checked your answer?
Yes, ma'am.
So, what the answer is? Can
Ma'am.
this equal? Can your answer equals to minuend?
Yes, ma'am.
So, it means the answer is correct. Okay. If your answer is equal to minuend, so it means your answer is correct. Fine. Now, come to the first question is other parts you have to try by yourself. Now, I'm going to share you the second question. Okay, I'm going to share the second question with you. Now come to the second question of this. Now the second question. Look here. Subtract and verify the answer. So in this question, what is different in this question? In this question, it is written from. Fine. So the first part is 46573 from 576937. Girls, if in the question from is written there, so it means that second number comes first. ठीक है बेटा? It means that if from is written in the question, it means that second number comes first. So the second number is, have a look. The second number is 576937. So you have to write the second number first. Okay, that is called minuend. The bigger number is called minuend. From second number means 576937 and the first number is 46573. That is subtrahend. And the answer is called, yes, very good, Prableen. Answer is called 530364. That is called the difference. That is called difference. How to check? The method is same. Difference plus subtrahend is equal to minuend. So the answer is when you plus difference plus subtrahend. Yes, Gagandeep, Harnoop. Okay, beta, fine. Your answer is right. So come to the second part. Everyone, Yogita, okay. Now come to the second part. Everyone will try the second part. The second part is 8478 from 94579. Everyone, please try the second part. Then I am going to unmute some other girl. Hurry up. Everyone will try the second part. Yes, do it fast. Insha, very good. Beta, do second part. 8478 from 94579. Yes. Yes, Shagun. I'm going to unmute Nushika Mengi. Yes, Nushika, are you here? Nushika. Now I am going to Sana Gupta.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Sana.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Second part answer is?
Ma'am, 86101.
Very good, dear. How to check the answer? Yes, Sana. What the
Yes,
formula is? What the formula is? Yes. Bhavya. Bhavya. Yes, Bhavya.
Yes, ma'am.
What the formula? Let me know. Yes, Zoya. Zoya Malik. Unmute yourself, please. Yes, Zoya. Tashneek.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Tashneek. Tashneek. Yes, dear. Bolo. How to check the answer? Ankita. Bhavneen Kaur.
मुझे क्या देख रही देख उधर
Yes.
लिखा हुआ तेरा आंसर तो को पता ही नहीं है इतनी जल्दी
Bhavneen Kaur.
लिखा हुआ
Divya Jyot. Yes, Divya.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, बच्चे. How to check the answer? Ankita. Yes, Ankita. Aniha. Yes, Aniha. Aniha. Yes. Ayat Chaudhary. Aradhya.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Tell me how to check the answer.
Ma'am, this
What the formula is?
ma'am, voice is not coming. Ma'am,
Voice is not coming.
voice is not coming clear.
Okay, beta.
Ma'am, voice
Wait a
is
minute.
not clear.
Voice is not clear. Is this okay? Is this okay? Yes, Sigjot. Yes, Sigjot.
Yes, ma'am.
Voice is coming.
E plus M. Ma'am.
Yes. Now I am going to unmute Bhavya. Yes, Bhavya, are you here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what the formula is?
D plus S is equal to M.
D plus S is equal to M. Very good,
M.
dear. So D means difference plus subtrahend, Harnoor, very good, is equal to minuend. Fine. Now, everyone come to do the D part of the question. D part of the question. Write down the question.
क्वेश्चन लिखो
858. Write down 858 from Look here in this D part. 858 from 457635. Everyone, please do fast. 457635 minus 858. Yes, dear. Fast. Good. Who has done? Very good, बच्चे रिहात. Yeah, Insha, right answer. Okay, I am going to unmute Rihat first. Yes, Rihat. Are you here, dear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what the answer is?
Ma'am, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7.
Okay, dear. Now, tell me how you have done. Please explain to everyone. Can you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta. First, read the question. And why you have written the second term first, please explain to everyone. Okay, start.
Ma'am, because the second number is the largest one.
Second is the largest one. Okay, then
Ma'am, that's why.
one more thing is there. What is written there? Read the question first. Yes, Sihat.
Ma'am, because there is written from.
If in the question from is written there, so it means that second number comes first. Okay. Now, how to check the answer, Rihat? Yes, Rihat, how to check the answer? Verify means check only. Verify means check only. Aniha. Yes, Aniha, are you here? Aniha. Aniha. Okay. Next, Divya Jyot. Divya. Yes, Divya Jyot. Hariom Gupta. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, dear. So, is there any problem to you?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Now I am going to unmute everyone. Is there any problem how to check the answer?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
To everyone?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Now let's start the next topic. Girls, now I am not going to give you any homework just now. Okay. You have to prepare for your exam tomorrow. So today only what I am teaching you, just listen properly. Okay. So our next topic you have done in addition also, same thing, estimating. Estimating means round off. Estimating means round off the numbers. You know how to round off nearest 10, nearest 100, nearest 1000. Fine. Now I am going to share the next one. Have a look in this. Your exercise 3.5. That is related to estimate means round off. Estimate means round off as the nearest 10 and compare with the actual difference. And compare with the actual difference. Now listen girls, you have done same thing in the addition chapter also. So your first part is 49 minus 23. 49 minus 23. Now I am going to ask the question today. Yes, Prableen Kaur. Yes, Prableen, are you here? Prableen? Prableen? Beta, unmute you. Now, Sainit Mangotra. Sainit Mangotra. Yes, बच्चे, are you here? Sainit? Sainit, are you here? Now, the next is Prityashi. Prityashi. Yes, Prityashi, are you here? Shranya.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Shranya.
Yes,
Now?
ma'am.
Okay, बच्चे. Round off to the nearest 10. The number is 49.
Ma'am, 26.
Beta, I am not asking the answer. You just only tell me round off the number to the nearest 10 and your number is 49. Yes, Bhavya? Yes, Bhavya?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Round off, बच्चे, 49.
Ma'am, 50.
Yes, 50. Very good. When you round off to the nearest 10, you have to see the ones place. If the ones place is 5 or more than 5, it means you have to jump. Okay. Yes. Navika Verma.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Navika, are you here?
Yes, ma'am.
But why your voice is not coming? Zoya?
Yes,
Zoya?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, bache. Now, round off to the nearest 10. Number is 23.
23.
Yes.
20.
20. How it comes 20, dear?
Ma'am, we have to go back.
What you have to see?
Ma'am, we have to see the number 3.
Number 3 in the ones place. Very good. So, it means it's clear to everyone. Lakshita? Yes, Lakshita? Okay, beta. Now, in first question, first part, what the answer is? Estimated answer.
Ma'am,
The
20.
estimated answer is, look here, everyone, 30. Very good, Ikjot. Very good, bache. Now, have a look here. All the answers of this one question. Have a look in this. Look here.
30.
Girls, your first question is 49 minus 23. First, you have to find out the actual difference. Actual difference is Insha, okay. Actual difference is that. So, actual means you have to find out what is given in the question. Actual means what is given in the question. And estimated means round off. Estimated means round off. Okay. So when you round off the number 49, it comes 50. Because in the question it is written there, round off to the nearest 10. When you round off to the nearest 10, you have to see the ones place. The ones place is more than 5 or more than 5, it means you have to jump. Tens place number will be increased by 1 number. So the answer is 50. Fine. When you round off the number 23, so it comes 20. Now difference means minus. Difference means minus. Now you have to minus all. Yes, Shania, you want to say something? Shania,
No, ma'am.
you want to say something?
No, ma'am.
Okay, dear. It's clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, bache. Now, the second part is also same like that, 76. It is not in this.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Anandika, you have a doubt. Okay, I am going to unmute you. Yes, Anandika? What happened, beta?
Ma'am, I not understand nearest.
What happened?
Ma'am, I not understand.
Okay, dear, I am going to explain this again. See, the question is, listen, look here in the screen. Anandika,
Yes, ma'am.
actual means what is given in the question. It is given 49 minus 23. You have to minus, the answer comes 26. This is the actual difference. Estimated means round off.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, in the question it is written there,
Okay.
estimate to the nearest 10. It means round off to the nearest 10. When you round off to the nearest 10, you have to see the ones place. If the ones place is 5 or more than 5, you have to jump. The number is 49. Okay. It is given there. Look here. This is 49, bache. So when you round off, it comes 50. Because in the ones place, the number is 9. The next is 23. When you round off to the nearest 10, it comes 20. Now you have to minus. Now you have to minus. Now, Prityashi, yes, you have a doubt? Prityashi, you have doubt? Prityashi, but your voice is not coming. Yes, Gagandeep,
Yes, ma'am.
you have doubt?
No, ma'am.
Gagandeep,
Yes, ma'am.
Sana, Dihar, yes.
No, ma'am.
Now come to the C part. 177 minus 123. Actual means what is given in the question. Very good, Gagandeep. Good. Yes. Aradhya, Insha, very good. So, see, because we are rounding off to the nearest 10. We are rounding off to the nearest 10. We have to see the ones place. If the ones place is 5 or more than 5, Prablin, very good. So, it comes 180. 123 round off to the nearest 10, it comes 120. Now you have to minus, the answer comes 60. Very good. Prityashi? Yes, Prityashi, please unmute yourself. Prityashi, you unmute yourself. Yes. Prityashi?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Bache, what happened? You have doubt?
Ma'am, my sister exam is at same time.
Okay,
So
that
how
we will see
can I-
afterwards. Now, the next one, Tashneek.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Tashneek? Are you here?
Yes, ma'am.
Kavalpreet? Kavalpreet?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any problem?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Zoya,
No, ma'am.
it's clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, bache. The D part is also same like that. 8795, when you round off to the nearest 10, the ones place is 5. So it comes 8800.
Mama.
Then minus 6741, round off to the nearest tens, you have to see the ones place. 6740. When you subtract it, estimate it, it comes 2060. When you subtract the actual one, it comes 2054. Yes, Prableen Kaur, very good, dear. Yes. So, all the questions are related to this only. Is there any doubt to anyone? Is there any doubt to anyone? Okay, dear. Now come to the second question. The second question is also same like that. Now have a look in this second question. The second question is, estimate the difference to the nearest 100. Okay, bache. First question we have done to the nearest 10. This is nearest 100. Now I am going to unmute and ask you how we have to do in this. We have to do in this question. Yes, Navika Verma, are you here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, bache, explain me how we have to do in this nearest 100.
Ma'am, which question?
Yes. Gagandeep.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Gagandeep.
Yes, ma'am.
Bache, your voice is not coming. Shranya. Shranya. Shagun.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Shagun, are you here? Bache, everyone voice is not coming. Tashneek.
Yes, ma'am.
Tashneek.
Yes, ma'am.
Anandika.
Yes, ma'am.
Is there any doubt, bache?
No, ma'am.
Is there any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Bache, when we round off to the nearest 100, what we have to see? Which place we have to see?
Ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes.
first.
Which place we have to see?
Ma'am, first one.
We have to see the ones place. We have to see the